Are you looking for an entry-level position which allows you to work from home? Hey friends, welcome back to the Wealth Legacy Movement. It's a space where we share business ideas, tips, strategies, and business startup resources to help you to start building your wealth legacy. We're on a mission to help as many persons as possible to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start to live a happier, more fulfilling, and a financially free life. We do this by sharing with you business tips to get your business up and running, side hustles, stay-at-home jobs that you can do, and different ways that you can use to own properties. So let's dive right into it. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a work from home position. I'm going to be jumping on the Omni Interactions website, and this really is a platform which allows contractors and regular employees to work from home. So in this position, it's the contractor one where you are going to be having your business and you get contract work from them. It's the gig work. That's another name that they call it. So let's dive in and look on this one. And this position, so basically it is just telling you exactly what remote work is and how you are to submit your application. So as you can see, they have a couple of roles here: Spanish bilingual, and then they have this one, work from home customer service rep. So I'm gonna just click on it. So as you can see, I'm on the application page and it's a customer service rep. And so as you can see, it says welcome. It's something that you can read for yourself. But basically it is just telling you how everything goes when you become a contractor with them, right? Again, it's flexible. You know, they're talking about the company as a whole. Again, talking about the flexibility of working from home and working in that position. It says, we empower you to bring your creativity and specialized skills to your role and encourage you to develop skills you may not know you have, right? It says, be your own boss. It says, set your own schedule, get paid, enjoy the gig life. Work from home, no hassle commuting, schedule your own hours, work when it's convenient for you, gain experience in different industry, high pay rates. All right? So about the application process, it says this: start with the journey to contracting with Omni. Once you have joined the community of remote customer care contractors, you will have exclusive access to view all open contracts. It says it's telling you to, begin your journey by clicking the apply now button, right? And it says you'll take an online assessment, which takes about 15 minutes to complete. If you meet the requirements, you will receive an invitation within 24 hours to log in to our online portal where you can view and apply for contracts, right? And basically it is taking inbound phone calls, answering chat messages, and respond to emails to 14,500 companies. You will interact with customers primarily through inbound phone calls and possibly chat, email, helping them with their needs. That's basically some of the things that you'll be doing, right? You select your hours, so that's flexible. And the contract earnings may vary depending on client. Competitive rate typically range from $14 to $20 per hour. All right. Pay is determined by your phone call status when assisting customers. Additional incentives available based on your client and performance metrics. Proven track record in customer service and deliver outstanding customer care. Self-motivated. Proficient in using technology, including computer application and software. Personal computer with a minimum of 8 gigabytes of RAM. Tablets or Chromebook are not permitted. You need a wired USB headset with microphone for clear communication. High-speed wired internet with minimum of 10 Mbps download with speed of seamless connectivity. And those are just some of the the items that you will need to have to be able to get the contract work, right? And I'm thinking the truth is nobody will know that you don't have these. Once you meet the requirement by applying, doing the assessment, then you're going to get a response from them within 24 hours. And then you will also need to do a background check because they want to know that background is clean, you have nothing that will go against the policies that they have on the platform. You get on the platform and you start, looking on the contract roles that they have and start getting them. That's basically it. So what I'd advise you to do is just click the apply now button and just get rolling with it. Let me know in the comment if you're going to be using this platform, Omni Interactions. Drop in the comments if you're going to be using and what's your experience with it. How soon did you get to start? And so others can, benefit from that. Thank you so much for joining me today. I look forward to sharing more with you. I'll talk to you soon. But before we go, remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel to help us to grow faster because we're on a mission to help as many persons as possible to start building their wealth legacy, to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start to live a happier, more fruitful, and a financially free life.